Hey guys, my name is JMO.
I'm Cami and welcome back to JC Swarm's Cooking Masters. Today we will be making fried pickles.
So we got all the ingredients just perfect, so let's get right into this. Okay, so we already preheated our oven to 450 degrees, so now we're going to get started on making the pickles.
And we lined our pan with parchment paper.
So it won't stick, so the pickles won't stick. Okay, so first,
we're gonna crack the eggs.
okay, Cami, hold the bowl tight. Okay. Here, I got it. I'll take it.
Yeah. Take a little shot.
Okay.
Make sure you don't get any shells in it.
Good. Good. So we just cracked our eggs, and now. So now I will beat the eggs.
Lightly.
Now Cami's gonna go.
And then after we're done beating them lightly, we're gonna set them off to the side. Now we are going to mix all the rest of our ingredients in a bowl. Now we are going to add in the breadcrumbs, butter, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne.
Now Cami.
Now we're gonna add in the butter.
It's gotta be microwaved so it melts.
Yeah, you have to melt the butter before you can add it in,
Okay, next
or else
is
the breadcrumbs won't stick to the pickle. Next, the garlic powder. Then the salt.
then
Cayenne, I think it is.
yeah.
And then black pepper. And Jameson is going to mix that.
Okay. So after my turn, Cami will take a turn by mixing. Okay, Cami, you guess. Okay, let's make all the panko, all that. Then we're gonna work in batches. Toss pickle coins in flour until lightly coated. Then toss pickles in eggs. Dredge the pickles in panko mixture until fully coated. So that's what we're gonna
And then,
do.
well, we have to put them on the pan.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, make sure. Okay, so first we're gonna put the pickles in the flour, then I'll give them to Cami. She's gonna put them in the eggs, and then she'll put them in the panko, then put them on the sheet. So let's get them in the flour. Here's one. Here. They don't have to be fully coated with flour. Here we go. Okay.
Pickle.
We got good. This is doing good so far. Here's two more.
Thanks.
I did three. Okay, now that we got all of our pickles ready, we're going to put them in the oven now. We got the oven preheated to 450 degrees So Cammy, please be careful. Okay.
And then we also set a timer for 15 minutes.
Wait, I'll do this.
No, he already did.
Oh. Fifth.
His time's
Wait, what?
Wait.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
You hit the wrong thing. You hit the wrong thing. Okay, now we are taking out the pickles. That's nice and crispy.
They're nice and crispy, like we wanted them. So, we're gonna get some plates out, and we're gonna have one of our judges, Andrew, to test one of them. So, okay, let's get a fork. Yeah.
Now we are going to plate them.
Nice and crispy.
There we go.
One.
Want to hold this one? Now we're going to deliver these to the judges.
Yeah, this looks great.
Yum. Okay.
All right,
Okay, let's eat.
let's eat. Look really
What's that
crunchy.
one with the ranch first?
Oh god.
Very good.
Oh god.
Perfect crispiness. Good flavor. The dog even likes it.
Yeah.
I know that spice that you're talking about.
They have just enough spice, but not too much.
Yeah. Really
Very good. Well done, guys. Well done.
Awesome.
Thanks.